Pomegranates are so good for you. When you open it up, you're going to see all these little teeny tiny seeds called arils. And each one of those is like its own little package of juice that is super nutritious for your body. It's like its own winter superfood. And I like to say that they are good for your red blood cells. And you can remember that because they kind of look like little red blood cells. They are just so filled with antioxidants that's going to help out all of your cardiovascular system. So a couple ways to use them. When you open it, if you're just going to use it for yourself, sometimes it's easy just to pick them off and put them on your salad or eat them straight. They're tart and tangy and sweet and delicious. But if you want to use a bunch of pomegranate seeds for a recipe, here's the easiest thing to do. Because anytime these burst, they can stain whatever they're on. That's how filled they are with antioxidants. So what I found the easiest way to do is to take a bowl, fill it with water, and then just immerse the pomegranate in the water, and then just pick off the seeds with your fingers. This is a great little chore for kids too. And then what happens is the seeds fall to the bottom, and all of the rest of the fibrous parts of the fruit rise to the top. So once you're done and you have all the seeds that you need, you can just drain off the top, and then you have all of the pomegranate seeds at the bottom. So I've been using these in recipes lately a ton because they're in season. They're going to be sweet and super nutritious and the least expensive. But I put them on roasted vegetables, on salads, on anything I can think of. Greek yogurt, in smoothies, on smoothies, with granola. They're delicious. Just make sure and make it a goal to eat a few this December.